What's the meaning of connotation? Connotation. Connotation.
Connotation. Connotation. Connotation refers to the emotions, associations, or cultural meanings that a word or phrase carries beyond its literal definition. For example, the word home does not only refer to a physical structure, but also connotes a sense of comfort, belonging, and safety. Understanding the connotations of words is important in effective communication as it can affect the tone and impact of a message. It is also useful in analyzing literature, advertising, and media, as well as in cultural studies and linguistics.